Welcome to another exciting episode of Million Dollar Peddlers. I'm Papergoy, and today we're going to talk about the problem a lot of people are having. Sales are slow. I think I have a solution to it. To tell you how bad they are, Mr. Magazine has 180,000 to 200,000 listings up on eBay. He actually went something like 18 hours without a sale. It just never happens. He went 24 hours without an offer. It boggles the imagination to think that he could put up such terrible listings across the board, and not one person in the world who was on eBay wanted any item that he had. It's just not possible. What has eBay been changing? And they've been changing country of origin. It is now required in order to ship internationally. So Mr. Magazine was like, yeah, but that's only international. Anytime eBay starts fiddling around with things, it affects across the board. It just does. Anytime they're doing updates, anytime they're doing. One thing that you'll notice, if you are going to relist items into your store, we do it where we put items up for auction. If they do not sell, we relist into the store. If the country of origin is missing, when you go to relist it as fixed price into the store, it actually defaults to going to auction. You can then change by going down, using a drop down, changing it to buy it now, and filling in the price. It's a couple of extra steps in order to do that. Just noticed that started a couple of days ago, as a matter of fact. So definitely country of origin is what's jamming us all up. I'm going to show you how to fix it. And you can actually do it in bulk. Thanks to Mr. Magazine's worker AI, that's what we call him, and me. Between us, we were able to figure out a way to get it changed in bulk. However, one caveat, customs requires it to be correct. Be very careful when editing in bulk, depending upon what it is that you are editing, because you may have mixed items in there. How do you do this, you ask? You go over to the Seller Hub, like this, which you could find off of here. Any page, you go to My eBay, you go down to Selling, you click on Selling, your Seller Hub loads. Then you go over to Listings Active, and this brings up all of the listings that you have active. What you want to do, let me show you what you don't want to do, and let me show you why you don't want to do this. Let's highlight this first page over here. So as you see, I have 1,616 items listed over here. I can edit selected, I can select a bunch of them, or I can edit all of them. I'm going to go with edit, we're going to choose them, go with edit selected. This comes up if you've been playing around before and didn't finish them. I was playing around before just to verify a couple of things. So continue, we're going to just edit this selected. Now these are all of the items that were on that first page. Specific country of origin is missing 8. If you click right here, that brings up the 8 items that need country of origin. Wow, okay, that makes that nice and easy. Here is a problem though, potentially. You cover it all up, you click all of them, you bulk edit, you go down to item specifics. Here's the problem. It shows it to you this way, which is a kind of a pain in the butt in order to do on it. So what you actually want to do, so that just shows you what comes up, but let me show you what you really want to do. You go back to this over here, and you go down over here, categories, and you want to use eBay categories because those were breaking up underneath the eBay categories. And these are all of the eBay categories that I have something listed in. I'm going to choose comic books and memorabilia as being what I'm going to choose. You click apply. And these are all of the comic book and memorabilia items that I have. I'm going to edit all 237. Now the reason why I chose this category is because I don't have any comic books that were made anywhere but the United States. That's going to make it nice and easy. Everything will be accurate. Every comic book was made in the United States. Makes that nice and easy. Edit all 237 listings. Again, this pops up like we said. You continue because these are what you want to work on. Now out of these 237, 76 are missing country of origin, so roughly a third. Over on Papergoy, where I do try, at least of late, diligently to put in the country of origin, I was about 20% without country of origin. This is about a third, just to let you know. So now you click over here. Oh, and also here, it's been pre-filled to comply with customs policies. Make sure the country is correct. I'm going to trust, given that they're all United States, that it did that correctly. I probably shouldn't, but I'm going to. Click over here. So this just brings up the 76 that we're talking about. And now we're going to want to balk at it. I don't know if I really had to click right there or not. Item specifics. All right, well, there still didn't work perfectly. There are a couple of other ones over here. I guess I was wrong. There is one that is from France, but that'll be real easy to edit. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, so let's bring this down over here. Now what we want to do is we want to change, see, and this is where it's kind of pointless. Like, I can add the publisher. Well, I've got 76 different comic books in there. They're not all going to be from one publisher. So this doesn't really work well for much. I do believe I did see in here. Okay, see, and here's the other problem. Oh my gosh, there's no country of origin. You have to click down here on View All in order to do that. So then you go down. Trust me, I'm going to do, while I'm here, I'm just going to change this to English just because I know every one of these is English, so I might as well do two things while I'm here. Here we are, country of origin. Change to. And then the easiest way to do is, if you are doing United States, is start typing it in. And it shows up. There you go. You hit apply. And this is only 76. Imagine Mr. Magazine with as many as he has. And then you submit. No fees. And you'll be charged a flat value, blah, 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 237 to submit, but I only corrected the 80 whatever. Let us know what you think. 237 are now live. Done. Now my comics are all updated, and you can do that category by category. Again, some of the categories are going to be a little more difficult, depending. That happened to be one that I could cherry pick out of, but that will be the best way to do so. They are pushing country of origin. Obviously, if you can't relist into the store, if the country of origin is not filled in, I mean, you can, but you got to take extra steps in order to do so. It is fairly important. It also applies to international visibility. They're pushing it. Customs requires it. Change it. Depending upon how many items you have, it may be very, very easy to do. It may be more difficult. But I have no doubt at all, because that is the major change that eBay has done over the last week, that is what's causing all of the problems. Things are getting jammed up along the way. So you can go in, you can do that in bulk, and I think that it will definitely help your sales considerably. So do hit the like button if you could. Do check out all of our shows. Stop by Wednesday night, 7:30 p.m. We have a great live show. And do report back. Let me know if that works for you. And we'll see you next video.